Indulge in sensational pleasure with the Nasstoys Clit-Tastic Arousing Tongue-Licking Lever. This USB rechargeable toy is designed to mimic the sensation of a real tongue, offering 10 vibrating functions that provide a range of pleasure experiences. Its unique design features a mouth that opens and closes, while the vibrating tongue adds another layer of stimulation, making it perfect for targeting any external erogenous zone. Whether you're looking to enhance solo play or spice things up with a partner, this versatile toy is sure to deliver satisfying sensations every time. Crafted from body-safe silicone, the Clit-Tastic Arousing Tongue-Licking Lever is splashproof and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting hygiene and convenience. Its quiet yet powerful vibrations make it discreet and powerful, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of use. To get the most out of your experience, be sure to fully charge the toy before the first use, and always use water-based lubricant for maximum comfort and enhanced sensation. After each session, clean with toy cleaner or mild antibacterial hand soap to keep it in perfect condition, ready for your next indulgence.